I'm excited to introduce Bayshore Piping, the leading results at half the cost of alternative equipment. We proudly support American-made products, offering top quality and efficient solutions. Let's discuss your specific needs and witness the transformative impact of our expertise. Reach out to us at your convenience. Thank you for considering Bayshore Piping as your trusted partner in elevating your compressed air system. Unlike equipment-focused companies, we prioritize the science behind piping, ensuring optimal performance and cost savings for our clients. We specialize in resolving major piping issues that can cause long-term problems. Many compressor owners rely on general plumbing contractors who lack the expertise required for proper installation, leading to immediate or future complications. At Bayshore Piping, our mission is clear: to safeguard your equipment and save you money. Our satisfied clients attest to our ability to deliver exception. At Bayshore Piping, our mission is clear: to safeguard your equipment and save you money. Our satisfied clients attest to our ability to deliver exception. We are committed to safeguarding your equipment and maximizing your savings. Our exceptional track record of satisfied clients speaks volumes about our ability to deliver outstanding results at a fraction of the cost of alternative equipment. With a strong commitment to supporting American-made products, we provide superior quality and efficiency that surpasses the competition. I invite you to experience the transformative impact of our expertise firsthand. Let's discuss your unique requirements and explore how Bayshore Piping can elevate the performance of your compressed air system to new heights. Don't hesitate to reach out to any of our team members at your convenience.
No.